All right, welcome back. 5-Minute Trader. Wanted to just bring up a chart of Snapchat, and you can see here coming into the weekend, we're testing the all-time low. We actually took out that low this morning, but the key thing here is trading at 1720. This is an hourly chart. This huge break here took us to lows, then we rallied, and now we're testing that low. Friday is tomorrow. If we don't close below, or rather, if we do close below 17 tomorrow on a Friday, Snapchat could be in trouble. There's a couple things and reasons why. First is it came public at 17, even though it opened at 25. So now you've got a solid 3 months of traders that are trapped. That's 1 month. And the unlock period is coming also here in the next week or two. So all the insiders are going to be able to sell their stock finally. And that could put pressure to the downside. We haven't seen any buying of substance yet. You can see the volume was big the first couple of days, and that was all selling. And since then, we've had big volume on the sell-offs, and again, bigger volume here. But the thing that I'll note as a difference is we're not really pressing through 17 yet. Now, if we close below 17, all bets are off because that's going to be a new zone that we haven't seen before. So here's the way I would play it. I would look at Snapchat tomorrow by the time we get to the close. And if we're hanging above 17, I might buy some, some real cheap out-of-the-money calls, or maybe some, in-the-money calls for the next month or so, because you could see a move back to balance, which gets you up to $20. So that would be the way I would
we did find a couple things.
Real decided risk on the options where you could buy them and put them away, and so if it stops, you can, if it gets below 17, Snapchat is going to go, and who knows how low it goes. Ultimately, my big macro picture is this is a failing company,
but it's still a little bit on.
There's nothing in their product that is differentiated from anybody else's, especially Instagram. Instagram's got 10 times as many users, and Snapchat is declining. So the fundamentals don't match up at all with, with the stock price, even where it's at the IPO. So they've given them 3 months kind of to, do something with the stock, and there's been no interest. And I think all the fundamental funds and the people that would be buying the stock see that. They already know that. I'm not even a fundamental guy, and I can tell you it's clear as day who's going to win that battle. It's going to be Facebook and their Instagram and all their other products. I mean, WhatsApp has, a tell your story product that's real big in Europe. These guys aren't going to win. There's nothing in their product. And matter of fact, even the demographic that was downloading the app has stopped, and that's on a decline now. So when you start looking at those areas, Snapchat just doesn't make a lot of sense. The only thing I would say is if it holds 17 tomorrow, you've got a shot for another run here, for a short-term run. Excuse me. So you could probably pick up again some either deep in the money calls or deep out of the money calls. Either way, you don't have to pay $17 for a share of the stock. You can buy the calls out of the money over the next 3 months. You'll probably get a good bump on that, or you can buy in the money. The $17 strikes or something like that for very little. And again, for the next 3 months, that would just be a bounce trade if we close above 17 tomorrow. Remember, the IPO price was 17, so that would be the way I would look at this. And I just wanted to throw it out there as our 5-minute trade idea of the day. If you have any questions, please shoot us an email. Just look on the website, just send us an email with any questions you have that you'd like us to answer, and other videos that we're going to be doing here. Love to hear from you and any questions you have. That's it. We'll talk later. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. It's Father's Day weekend, and we'll be back next week with more ideas every day next week as we go forward with the 5-Minute Trader.